How to fix Roblox cursor going off screen on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on your PC, click on the search bar at the bottom and search for Task Manager. After you've opened Task Manager, if your Roblox is open, simply right-click on Roblox and then click on End Task. After you have clicked on End Task, simply close this tab. After that, right-click on your display and click on Display Settings. You will be leaded to this page. In here, scroll down and click on Scale and Layout and click on it. Make sure your scale and layout is recommended 1. As you can see, 150% is recommended. After you've done that, click on the search bar at the bottom and simply type in troubleshoot settings. In here, if you have option for additional troubleshooters, click on it. And if you find any apps option in here, simply restart it or troubleshoot it, and if there is any problem, it will show it to you. After you have done that, simply click on the search bar at the top again. Now, in here, what you can do is simply search for apps. Now, in your app list, search for Roblox. After you found Roblox, simply click on Roblox. After you've clicked on Roblox, you'll find these options at the bottom. Simply, in here, click on Advanced Options. In Advanced Options, you'll find this kind of screen. Scroll down and search for Reset. Click on Reset. Everything will be reset. After that, you can simply open your Roblox app and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Roblox cursor going off screen on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.